If you need to flip an image in Microsoft Word, whether it's for a flyer, a report, a worksheet, or just to make your document look the way you want, this is a really quick skill to learn. And the best part is, Word gives you a few different ways to do it, so you can flip an image horizontally or vertically in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to mirror an image, turn it upside down, and make sure it sits correctly in your document. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and click on the image you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see the border or sizing handles around it. This step is important because Word only shows the image formatting tools after the picture is selected. If you don't click the image first, you won't see the options you need. Once the image is selected, look at the top ribbon and find the Picture Format tab. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, it may simply say Format instead of Picture Format. But either way, this is the tab that controls image editing options. Click that tab to reveal the tools for adjusting your picture. Now, in the Arrange group on the ribbon, look for the Rotate button or the Rotate Objects option. This is where Word keeps the commands for rotating and flipping pictures. Click the drop-down arrow and you'll see several options appear. This is the menu you need for flipping the image. From here, you have two main choices. If you want the image to be flipped upside down, choose Flip Vertical. This will rotate the picture over a horizontal line, so the top becomes the bottom. If you want the image to look like a mirror image, choose Flip Horizontal. This is the option you'll use most often if you want to reverse the left and right sides of a picture. Once you click one of those options, Word will instantly apply the change to your image. There's no extra confirmation needed. The picture will update right away, so you can immediately see whether the flip looks correct in your document. If the image doesn't look right after flipping, don't worry. You can always click the picture again and repeat the same steps to change it back or try the other flip option. That's one of the advantages of using Word for this kind of editing. It's fast, simple, and easy to reverse if needed. A helpful tip here is to be careful if your image contains text, logos, or screenshots. Flipping those can make the text appear backward, which may or may not be what you want. For regular photos and graphics, flipping usually works perfectly, but for images with readable text, it's a good idea to double-check the result before finalizing your document. Also, if you're using Word on different devices or versions, the tab names can vary slightly. Some versions place the flip tools under Picture Format, while others use Format, but the Rotate option is usually in the same general area. So if you don't see it immediately, just look along the top ribbon after selecting the image, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to flip an image in Microsoft Word using the built-in Rotate tools. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when formatting documents. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Word feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.